Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for all you creators and business owners out there. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the XPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 DTF printer. This beast of a machine promises to revolutionize the way you print on demand, with features that will make your jaw drop. From its blazing fast print speeds to its intelligent touchscreen interface, this printer is packed with innovations that will take your DTF printing business to the next level. Let's dive right into one of the most impressive aspects of this printer, the ink and powder supply. With the XPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600, you get an unbeatable deal. 2 years worth of ink and powder shipped right to your doorstep every 2 months. That's 5 by 250 milliliters inks and 500 G of powder. Just cover the shipping and you're all set. This means you can focus on growing your business without worrying about running out of supplies. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've got a steady stream of ink and powder to keep your printer humming along 24 months straight. It's a huge cost savings and a major convenience, allowing you to budget more effectively and plan for the future. Another standout feature of this printer is its 5-inch folding touchscreen. This intuitive LED display makes it easy to manage your print jobs, clean the nozzles, and adjust your layouts on the fly. The advanced motherboard that powers this printer is also designed to prevent common printing issues, reducing errors, and saving you materials in the process. I was blown away by how easy it was to navigate the interface and get my print started. The touchscreen is incredibly responsive, and the diagnostic tools are super helpful in troubleshooting any issues that may arise. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this printer's smart design will make you feel like a total rock star. Now, let's talk about the printing itself. The XPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 boasts an advanced XP600 printhead that delivers stunning 2880 by 1440 dpi clarity. But what really gets me excited is the speed. This printer can churn out prints at a rate that's twice as fast as the L1800/L805 models. That's right, folks, you can print a full A3 image in just 3 minutes, which is perfect for high-volume orders and long-format printing. The level of detail and vibrancy this printer achieves is simply breathtaking, making it perfect for transferring vivid designs onto t-shirts, bags, leather, and polyester materials. Whether you're printing for fun or for profit, this printer's got the chops to deliver professional-grade results every time. As I delved deeper into the features of this printer, I was impressed by its secure software updates and automated maintenance. The printer receives free, virus-free software upgrades, ensuring you've always got the latest and greatest features at your fingertips. Plus, the scheduled self-cleaning mode prevents nozzle clogs and keeps your printer in top working order, so you can focus on what really matters, creating amazing prints. It's this kind of attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction that truly sets the XPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 apart from the competition. In conclusion, the XPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 DTF printer is an absolute powerhouse of a machine that's ready to take your printing business to new heights. With its lightning-fast print speeds, intelligent touchscreen interface, and unbeatable ink and powder supply, this printer is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to upgrade their DTF printing game. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible printer and start creating stunning prints like a pro. Trust me, your business and your customers will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and tutorials, and I'll catch you all in the next video.